Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a super easy and fast star pattern. It's perfect for decorating gifts, making garlands, or adding to any of your holiday or everyday projects. Let's jump right in. To demonstrate the project, I'll be using round rope yarn along with the 5mm crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. I'm going to start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then we need to chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. After that, we will make a single crochet into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. And then chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. After that, we need to make a double crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. And then we need to chain 2, 1 and 2. After that, I'm going to make a single crochet into the loop here. Now if you look at the stitches carefully, if you turn the work a bit like this, you can see there are 3 back loops here. 1, 2, 3. We need to go into the 3rd back loop and work a single crochet. So insert the hook into the 3rd back loop from the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. And then chain 1, and we need to work a single crochet into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we will pull the stitches like this to have the shape in the star. So now we have completed 1 piece of the star, and then just continue the pattern to make the other petals as well. Chain 1, and then we will work a double crochet into the magic ring. Chain 2, 1 and 2. We will turn the work a little to see the back loops. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd back loop. Go into the 3rd back loop and work a single crochet. And then chain 1 and work another single crochet into the magic ring. Then we will pull the stitches. Again, repeat the pattern 3 more times. Chain 1, a double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd back loop. Go into the 3rd back loop and work a single crochet. Chain 1 and a single crochet into the magic ring. And pull the stitches. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big, so that I'm going to pull this tail a little to make it smaller. Make sure that you have enough space to repeat the pattern 2 more times. Alright, so we will continue the pattern. Chain 1, a double crochet, again chain 2, go into the third back loop and work a single crochet, again chain 1 and a single crochet into the magic ring. We need to repeat the pattern once more. Chain 1, a double crochet, chain 2, go into the third back loop and work a single crochet, and then I'm not going to chain 1 here. Instead, I'm going to join the yarn into the starting single crochet here. I will show you how I do that. So just leave a long tail and cut the yarn off, and then we will pull the loop like this. After that, I'm going to pull this tail here to close the magic ring, like so, and then we can thread the other tail to join the round. And here what I'm gonna do is just insert the needle into the single crochet in the starting point, like this. And then I'm going to go back into the very last stitch here. Make sure to insert the needle into both the loops in the stitch, so that it will look like we have done the last chain joining the starting point. So after that, we can just hide the tail in a few stitches. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like this quick star pattern, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more fun and beginner friendly crochet tutorials. See you in the next one.